how to get code to access Digilocker account. I'm going to show you how you can easily get code to access your Digilocker account. First, open the Digilocker website. Then click on Sign Up to start the registration process. Now fill out the form to create your account. Enter your full name as per author, your date of birth, then select your gender and enter your mobile number registered with author. After that, enter your own 6-digit security PIN and your author number. Finally, click on the button labeled Submit. Next, you will need to verify your mobile number. Enter the OTP that has been sent to your registered mobile number on the page. Then click on the button labeled Submit. Now, set up your username by entering a unique username of your choice. After that, click on the button labeled Submit. Here, you will see a registration confirmation page. You can view this confirmation and will then be redirected to the home page of your Digilocker account.